It's Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with my man Ian.
Hi everybody.
Today we're going to talk about a common problem with the Hyundai Kia 3.8 liter engines. This is our fourth or fifth in a year, yeah. In 12 months. It's quite significant. Issue is our alternators pack it in. And the reason why they pack it in, as you can see, they're covered with oil. Where they are located is here at the bottom, right underneath here. Little tight location on the side of the engine. In order to get them out, you got to remove the fan shroud.
The radiator fan has to come out, a whole bunch of wiring and covers have to come off to get the valve cover off here. And the gasket hardens over time and then just starts to leak and causes the alternator to fail.
So what we're looking at doing is replacing with new gasket, both front and rear valve covers, the gaskets, and obviously the new alternator from our friends at CarQuest. 3 years, 60,000 kilometer parts and labor warranty on any alternators that we install at our shop. We're going to do the rear one as well, which involves taking off the upper portion of the engine called the intake.
Yeah, so right here, this is the upper intake manifold. There's several bolts and brackets that needs to come off to get this off. It takes quite a bit of time, so I wanted to get the video going and show you what causes the alternator to fail. But the next step is to pull this off and then do the rear valve cover, which looks very similar to the front one.
Okay. They're both been on equal amounts of time. They both get hard, so it's good practice as the kit comes with both the front and rear to do both anyway. Anything else to add, Ian?
That's pretty well it.
Awesome. Guys, please subscribe, hit like, share with your friends. Anybody that has one of these 3.8 liter engines, common failure, they may have already had the job done and wondering why it costs so much. This is why, the labor that's involved. Thanks very much, Urban Automotive. Safety first.